Alright guys, today on this episode of House of Pawlyk, we are doing ATV tours. Woo!
Let's go! St. Kitts, baby!
Alright guys, we are about to go on the highway in our ATV. Woo! We are on the highway now.
Look at the trees for monkeys.
Guys, there might be some monkeys in the trees.
Actually?
Yeah.
I want to see them.
Alright, here we go, guys. Now
Guys,
we're
we're going off-roading in the jungle.
Don't dump it.
Guys, keep your eyes out for monkeys in the trees. We're just gonna beat them.
Imagine if I threw my apple to a monkey and he caught it.
Alright, we're in the jungle now, off-roading.
Who's beeping? Us or him?
Oh.
Oh, here we go, guys.
Oh my gosh, guys, stick fall off any
The
second.
real off-road.
Guys, somebody.
Oh, the real off-road. Here we go.
See, now I'm just hoping we don't actually fall
Yeah, go
off
to
the
the
road.
puddle.
I can't get my...
Woo! Look at those vines, guys. This looks like a movie.
It looks like Tarzan.
You having fun, Faye?
Yeah?
You love it, Bubba?
Yeah. Looks like Tarzan. Woo!
Does it look like Consco?
Guys, the goats and animals we were just talking about are over here, but it's very dusty, so I don't know if you can see.
Oh, donkey's not.
Donkey!
Oh my God, Peyton.
Oh my gosh!
Touch this cow.
Pet the cow, pet the cow!
Really?
Oh!
Alright, Daddy's got the camera now. This is what I'm seeing. Dusty and dusty. Dusty and dusted. How you doing, Potato?
Good.
Yeah, it's tough to see, huh?
I know. Can I use your glasses?
Wow, look at that.
Can I use your glasses?
Why is there a car right there?
Okay, guys, we just got off the dusty roads. We're in like a neighborhood now, but it's still amazing scenery.
Oh, little river.
Oh,
Splash.
the river, the jungle, it's amazing.
Little church.
We're before the church.
We got some that look like coconut trees right here.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna rip, hey. Get it recorded, we're gonna rip.
Okay, guys, we're gonna go super fast. Woo!
Look at this. Well, that's the jungle we were just in. Now we're back on the main road.
Going up a little hill here.
Yeah, I think we're gonna go back into the mountains. You gotta go now?
All right, and we're back. We're out here off-roading on this dusty trail.
Hey guys, lean.
Seen a lot of farm animals.
Lean toward Payne's accent.
Whoa. Oh, feels like a roller coaster.
You took a hard right, right?
There we go.
Did you go to the bathroom, Becca?
Yeah, right here. Thank you.
We pulled over for a little break. We're up in the jungle in the mountains.
Thanks, Beth.
Adventure boy Bubby, how you feeling?
Dusty?
You got some dust in your eyes? What about you, V?
Me too, but
Is it fun?
pretty fun.
Crazy,
yeah.
right? Oh, there's the jungle girl.
This is really fun, but the only thing is I got dirt all over my forehead, which is kind of funny.
Jane of the jungle, how about you, Mom?
Oh my God, it's great. I feel like I'm on a roller coaster.
All right, Beckham, just getting strapped in, bro. You ready, dude? Mm-hmm. Gonna have fun? Gonna be so sick. At least you're not gonna get dust in your eyes now.
Yeah.
Because the dust is gonna be behind you. That'll be fun. You ready? All right, let's do it.
I tried to get the dirt off.
Alright guys, we're about to get started again. We're gonna head back to the jungle, I think, guys. Is that where we're going? We're gonna be staying in the jungle?
Oh, you guys hit my mirror.
Yeah, I think we're gonna stay in the jungle. We just started, so let's go.
Go Beckham riding with Tank.
we go. There's an old fort and an old tower, which looks really cool.
Oh yeah, it's all broken on this side.
The views of the beach are really nice from up top. The water is so pretty. Oh, where was the monkey?
We're right here in this bush.
Little monkey ran across right here. Let's see if we see him.
I saw that too, Pete.
Good eye, Peyton.
Oh, get this train notes.
So we're coming up on the train tracks here. There's a train that goes all around the island. There's the train tracks.
All right, we're at the Black Rocks. Our tour guide Tank said the volcano erupted 1,800 years ago, and this is all lava. And then it fell into the ocean and cooled, and now we have Black Rocks. And we're gonna go to the edge and check them out. And we get this cute little, I don't know what you call this, like a little village thingy. There's like a performance stage. There's a hut that I'm gonna live in soon. There's some chickens, there's some doodads to buy.
Don't go near it,
Yeah, the mom won't like that too much, baby.
These must all be like little stores or something, no?
Yeah.
Little shops?
Show the Black Rocks right here.
No, that's wood chips. All right, stay away. Leave animals be. You're in their house.
Adorable.
Whoa, this is sick. Beckham, I know you jump off, right? These are all lava rocks. Look at that, dude.
So there's some people swimming, but if you can clearly see that brown stuff right there, that is whale poop. And those people right there are swimming next to whale poop, as you can clearly see. And see that sailboat out there? Yeah. Probably more whale poop out there too. Probably like 100,000 pounds. Goodbye.
All right, the adventure kids found the path to get down. Some tires. You guys, do you want to walk down that thing?
Do you need help? Okay.
And I want to see what the peak looks like.
Dad.
Hold the railing. Wow. It's a little tire path down to the rocks, maybe? Find out in a minute. Avo and Bubby are already to the bottom. I'm making my way. Watch my head. Oh, this is nuts. This is so cool though. This tire road. Beckham's touching the lava, nice. There he is, we found him. V, it's gonna get slippery when it gets wet.
Can you take a picture of me?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna play in the ocean.
Here comes Pato. She found her way down. Isn't that cool, Pay?
Hey, walk down. No, Pay, go that way.
Yeah, go. Yeah, keep going. There you go. And there's a path. Let's go over here. There's a little pool. I bet there's crabs or something.
Okay. I'm gonna break an ankle. Beckham, are you gonna break an ankle?
No.
What the heck is that?
But I believe people got.
Hey, Knox.
Yeah, there's like a tent on here.
Yeah, someone's been in.
Oh, that actually looks calm and nice.
Oh. I don't see no fish, Mama.
Ooh, look at that little pond.
Oh, I see some fish.
Anything?
Crabs.
Oh, snails?
No, there's crabs. There's a gigantic crab.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
So nice. I'm gonna put this right here.
This looks calm. Like, I would love to go in there if I had my vacation on.
It does look nice.
See a big one.
What are you finding, Bubs?
Hermit crabs or snails?
A gigantic hermit crab.
Is Mimi coming?
No, that's a snail, buddy.
No, Dad. It's a hermit.
Oh, okay.
I swear.
Okay.
Martha's Vineyard has the best.
Bubster found some sea animals, some critters.
This one I don't think is a.
Oh, this one's a crab.
Oh, V found a crab.
Found a hermit crab.
This is a hermit crab.
Beckham, this one's a hermit crab. And this one.
What a great place.
Dad, this is a hermit crab.
Oh, I see that.
There's the adventure mom. She's all the way up there.
Yeah.
Hey, Nugs!
Oh, there's a-
She's way up there.
I'm trying to drag it on my. Anyway, I swear.
You see that? What does that poison shell look like?
Like a conch shell, how do you say it?
I see a black and white shell and it looks like it's tiny.
Blue. That's the
Yeah, let's see what Pato's got.
She's not coming out, but this is a blue hermit crab. It's
Nice.
walking. Maybe.
He was walking?
Yeah, maybe if we put him back.
Nice.
This one's a hermit crab.
All right, guys, we gotta head back up.
Okay.
Here we go, guys. Back to the ATVs. All right, guys, we just got back from the ATV tour. What do we all think? What do you think, Mama?
It was awesome.
Awesome.
Such a good time.
Yeah, what was your favorite part, Bubs? Riding with Tank in the back?
Yeah.
What about you, V?
I like when we stopped at the shop area and we went down to the lava room.
Beautiful. What was your favorite part, Pat?
Either
That Sprite?
either touching the couch or riding on the back of the tank.
Me too. All right, let's go on to the next one.